The CBI is investigating bank loan frauds worth a total of 73,000 crore rupees linked to the Reliance Anil Ambani Group. These cases cover 7 separate instances of alleged fraud. The CBI informed the Supreme Court of India that it is actively investigating these 7 cases. The probe also includes examining the roles of certain public officials who may have been involved. Along with the CBI, the Enforcement Directorate is also investigating the group. The Enforcement Directorate told the court that it has seized documents related to a supposed project help. These documents suggest that insolvency proceedings against the group may have been deliberately initiated through lenders who were not directly involved. Currently, the Enforcement Directorate is probing 8 cases connected to the Reliance Anil Ambani Group. The Supreme Court said that since the preliminary facts are serious, investigating agencies must make every effort to uncover any irregularities, illegal facts or collusion by public officials who may have given undue benefits to the management of the group. The Enforcement Directorate also informed the court that it has not received certain information requested from other investigating agencies involved in the probe. The Supreme Court has directed all agencies and financial institutions to fully cooperate with the Enforcement Directorate in this investigation. The Supreme Court reviewed the status reports filed by the CBI and the ED and issued its orders on March 23rd. This investigation is being closely watched as one of the largest alleged bank frauds in India, with serious implications for corporate governance and public accountability.